So here I am at the hotel, I don't know how to say it, Mangarin or Mangarin. It's just off the Champs-Elysees in Paris. And I'll take you in, my room number's 204. I'll take you in, show you around. It's a boutique hotel or whatever it is like that, so this room's actually 2 floors. So show you around here. First of all, you got your mini bar and tea and coffee and all that sort of facilities there. In here you've got your storage space and wardrobe, a couple of bathrobes and some slippers. And in this last one you got in-room safe, and move this here. I moved some of the furniture around, but so don't judge the hotel on that. But this is your in-room safe and all that sort of thing there. And you got some more chocolates and things like that there for purchase. Manager wrote a nice note there. It's a very artsy sort of hotel there. Got a guest bathroom there with toilet, ensuite. Nice chairs, got a really nice feel to it. And then, so this is like a sitting or living area down here. Okay. And as I take you upstairs here, that's the door we came in from, by the way, and sitting area down there. So I'll take you up the stairs here. Show you the bathroom and the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom here, and as you can see where we were downstairs there, another TV downstairs there, by the way. I haven't got it on, but there's a TV up here, and it's the main master bedroom. It's got the nice big bed there. We've got a little chair there and some sitting stool and things like that here. Good sized TV, nice and close. iPod dock and things like that. And now I'll take in the bathroom. Excuse me, that's my hand towel there. Okay, so you've got sink there and all your amenities over there, and some soap, tissues, your towels. And then if we close that door, in here, got the toilet there. And lastly, the shower. With a rain shower. So yeah, that's the hotel. I have no idea how to fucking say it. Off the Champs-Elysees. Where is it here? This is the hotel here. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. Anyway. Thanks very much for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. It's the family room, so hope you enjoyed watching it, and thanks very much.